Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm going to take you through our brand new 2020 Mastercraft XT22. This boat's white with the Kahuna blue, fiberglass SeaDek swim deck on the back, easy step through transom. This boat's equipped with the Kahuna blue accent, but the main interior is a nice alpine cool feel white. It's got the Z4 swivel clamping wakeboard racks, Clish tower speakers for wonderful music on the lake. Over here we got the 7-inch screen. This boat has the awesome trash can right here, phone holder, nice cup holders right here, some SeaDek, big deep glove box with some more USB hookups in there. This boat's equipped with the Gen 2 surf system, plenty of ballast, makes a great surf wave, and easy one-touch presets for all your surfing and wakeboarding for the summertime. Nice big wide bow. You can see easily 3 to 4 people up here. Speakers, USB hookups, you can have your phones up here, some cup holders, plenty of room. It's ergonomically set so whenever you sit in this boat, it has a nice feel to your back, and you're looking right out the back of the boat at whoever's hanging out in the back. You're not staring into the windshield the way the seat has you angled, something that Mastercraft has paid attention to in detail. So come on out and check out this awesome XT22 2020 Mastercraft at Greenville at MarineMax, or come and check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005, or check us out at our boat show coming up January 23rd through the 26th, and come and see all of our lineups of our new Mastercraft 2020s we have in store for you. Thank you very much.